Introduction to macroeconomic. Macroeconomic is the study of the economy as an aggregate system, examining both phenomena like growth, inflation, and unemployment. It focuses on great variables to understand how the entry economy functions rather than individual markets. Core questions revolve around economic growth trend, fluctuations through business cycles, and the effects fiscal and monetary policies. By analyzing these aggregate factors, macroeconomics helps policymakers and analyze design strategies to stabilize economics and promote sustainable development, ensuring long-term prosperity. Understanding unemployment definition. Unemployment refers to individuals who are actively seeking work but unable to find employment, reflecting vital labor market conditions. Types of unemployment: frictional short-term job transition, structural mismatch between skills and job cycle due to economic downturn, seasonal fluctuation relate to season. Natural rate. The natural rate of employment narrow typical ranges between 4 until 5%, representing the baseline level when the economy is healthy. Inflation and price index. Inflation basic. A sustained rise in the overall price level reduces purchasing power and affects economic decisions. Measurement. The Consumer Price Index (CPI) tracks a basket of goods to measure change in price over time, serving as the primary inflation measure. Causes and effects. Demand pull inflation from excess demand. Cost push inflation from its rising production costs. Monetary policy impact influencing money supply. Central banks typically target a 2% annual inflation rate to stabilize the economy. Gross domestic product (GDP). GDP definition. GDP represents the total monetary value of all final goods and service products within a country borders during a specific period. It reflects overall economic health, serving as key barometer of growth and prosperity. Measurement and types. Expenditure approach, consumption, C plus investment, E plus government spending, G plus next export, and X nominal GDP. Current price without inflation adjustment. Real GDP adjusts for inflation via CPI or GDP deflator. Aim for a healthy growth rate of around 2 until 3% annually to ensure sustainable business cycles. Economic fluctuation. 1. Expansion. rising GDP, employment increases, and consumer confidence. 2. Peak. The economy hits high point before slowing down. 3. Recession. Economic activity contracts, unemployment rise. 4. True. Lows pace before recovery begins again. Fiscal policy, government, economic role, spending, infrastructure projects and transfer payment inject money directly into the economy. Example, the 2021 American Rescue Plan Act provides stimulus to accelerate recovery from the pandemic. Taxation. Tax cuts increase disposable income, stimulating consumer demand. Goals: keep the economy growing and reduce employment through counter-cyclical measures. Monetary policy: strengthen the economy. Interest rates: adjusting the federal funds rate influence borrowing, spending, and investment. Reserve requirements dictate the amount banks must hold, controlling money supply, liquidity. Quantitative easing: central bank asset purchase to stimulate post-crisis economic as seen after 2008. International trade and finance: balance of payment, sum of current account trade income, and capital account investment loans. Transaction reflect economic transform with the rest of the world. Exchange rates and trade: fixed vs floating regimes affect currency stability. Trade deficit can influence domestic production and currency value. Globalization links economic impacting macro variables worldwide.